To other news now, the health department is calling on the public not to panic despite rising Mpox cases in the country. 7 lab-confirmed cases have been recorded in Gauteng, the Western Cape and KwaZulu-Natal provinces. Now, 2 of these patients have died from infections from the disease, which causes symptoms like fever and a rash.
Formerly known as monkeypox, Mpox underwent a renaming recommended by the World Health Organization in 2022 due to the stigma associated with the name. The infectious disease, though preventable and manageable, poses a higher risk to young children. According to health authorities, so far 7 cases have been confirmed with 2 deaths.
In terms of who is at a higher risk, mostly those who are at a higher risk based on the current findings of our case investigation and contact tracing reports, is especially men having sex with men, because we managed to track all this based on the contact, the referral contact from those who tested positive. That's number 1. Number 2, we also say anyone who's living with underlying comorbidities or diseases like your chronic illnesses like your HIV, your diabetes, your TB. Some of the symptoms of this disease, they are not unique from symptoms of other health conditions, but the most common symptom is a rash, which is very thick, very painful, very itchy, which may develop from 3 days can last up to 12 or to 21 days. Fatigue, headache. This is a preventable and manageable disease.
Some are concerned about Mpox potentially evolving into a pandemic, fueled by limited public awareness.
My first time to hear about these viruses that is spreading in South Africa. But I would love to know more how to prevent and how to protect myself.
While some have heard of the disease, detailed information remains limited.
So, like if people living in close quarters, contact with each other, working with lots of people every day, you stand a chance of contracting anything, So I don't know how viral it is. Pox, obviously it'll be feverish symptoms or so.
Calls have been made for more aggressive public awareness campaigns from health officials on Mpox.
So I think there must be definitely more awareness about the case, because I don't know anything about it. I just heard it on the radio.
Health officials urge anyone experiencing symptoms such as a rash, fever, muscle pain, headaches or fatigue to seek medical attention promptly at a healthcare facility rather than self-diagnosing, adding that maintaining good hygiene practices is crucial to contain the spread of Mpox. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi Same in Cape Town.